Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about Superman. Number 1. Superman is a superhero. Number 2. He is nicknamed the Man of Steel. Number 3. Superman was published by the DC Comics. Number 4. It was published in the middle of 20th century. Number 5. He is an alien from the planet Krypton. Number 6. He gets power from the sun. Number 7. This superhero character has most of normal superpowers like fight, strength, speed, etc. Number 8. He saves people with his superpower. Number 9. Many cartoon shows and movies were made of the Superman. Number 10. Superman is still one of the most favorite comic book characters of all time. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.